20 interesting facts about stars. Stars are made up of mostly hydrogen and helium gas. Stars produce energy through nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms are fused together to form helium. The temperature at the center of a star can reach millions of degrees Celsius. The size of a star can vary from small, dim stars known as red dwarfs to massive stars known as supergiants. The nearest star to our solar system is Proxima Centauri, located about 4.24 light-years away. The color of a star is determined by its temperature, with cooler stars appearing red and hotter stars appearing blue. The brightness of a star is measured in units called magnitudes, with lower numbers indicating brighter stars. The Hertzsprung-Russell diagram is a graph that shows the relationship between a star's brightness, temperature, and size. Stars go through a life cycle that begins with the formation of a protostar and ends with a supernova or a planetary nebula. White dwarfs are the remnants of low to medium mass stars, while neutron stars are the remnants of massive stars that have undergone a supernova explosion. Black holes are formed from the remnants of massive stars that have collapsed in on themselves. Stars can have planets orbiting around them, and these planets may be able to support life. The light from stars can be used to determine their distance from Earth through a method called parallax. The speed of light is the fastest speed in the universe, and even light takes time to travel from stars to Earth. Stars can appear to twinkle due to the movement of air in the Earth's atmosphere. The Milky Way galaxy, which contains our solar system and millions of other stars, is about 100,000 light-years in diameter. The study of stars is called astronomy, and scientists who study stars are called astronomers. Stars can be grouped together in clusters, with each cluster containing anywhere from a few to millions of stars. The Sun, which is the closest star to Earth, is about 4.6 billion years old and has another 5 billion years of life left before it becomes a red giant. Some cultures throughout history have used stars to navigate and to tell stories about the gods and the universe. The biggest known star in the universe is Uy-Scuti, which is a red supergiant star located in the Scutum constellation, about 9,500 light-years away from Earth. Uy-Scuti has an estimated radius of around 1,700 times that of the Sun, which means that it is nearly 2.4 billion kilometers in diameter. However, it should be noted that determining the exact size of stars can be difficult, as they are constantly changing in size and shape. There may be other stars in the universe that are even larger than Uy-Scuti, but they have not yet been discovered or accurately measured. What is the difference between a star and a planet? The main difference between a star and a planet is their composition and the way they generate energy. A star is a luminous celestial body that is made up of hot, ionized gases, primarily hydrogen and helium. Stars generate energy through nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms are fused together to form helium, releasing a tremendous amount of energy in the process. This energy causes the star to emit light and heat, and it is what makes the star shine. A planet, on the other hand, is a celestial body that orbits around a star and is much smaller and cooler than a star. Planets are made up of solid or gaseous material and do not generate energy through nuclear fusion. They are heated primarily by the star they orbit, and some planets may also generate internal heat through processes like radioactive decay. In summary, stars are massive, luminous bodies that generate energy through nuclear fusion, while planets are much smaller, cooler bodies that do not generate energy and orbit around stars. How long do stars last? The lifespan of a star depends on its mass. Generally speaking, the more massive the star, the shorter its lifespan. For example, small red dwarfs, which are the most common type of star in the universe, can burn through their fuel very slowly and can have lifetimes of trillions of years. On the other hand, massive stars with 20 times the mass of the Sun or more may only have a lifespan of a few million years before they explode in a supernova. For stars like our Sun, which has a mass of about 1.4 million times that of the Earth, they are expected to have a lifespan of about 10 billion years. Our Sun is about 4.6 billion years old, so it still has another 5 billion years of life left before it becomes a red giant. In summary, the lifespan of a star can range from millions to trillions of years, depending on its mass and other factors, with more massive stars generally having shorter lifetimes than less massive ones.